Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah and peace be upon you all. We are back now for the 8th vlog. That's right, it's been more than a week, alhamdulillah, that we've been producing these vlogs, and we do hope that you are enjoying them. And of course, we can see that you're commenting below. Speaking of comments and videos and pictures, we've been asking you for the past week to drop comments below, to send in your videos and your photos. And today, that's right, is the day where we're going to actually be looking through those comments, seeing what you've been doing at home, answering your questions and queries so that we can engage and interact with you in the best way possible. Without further ado, let's get straight into that. Alright, so the first question is from Sister Amtu Shakur and Azmat Bhatti, who are asking what the pull-up bar is and how I've actually got that. Let me quickly show you what it's actually like and where you can actually get it from. Alright, so this is a pull-up bar. You can get different types of pull-up bars. This is actually a bolt-on one. You don't actually have to screw it in at all. You can actually put it on without actually having to drill anything into the walls. And it costs about 15 to 20 pounds. Very cheap, but yet very, very effective. We have a message here from Sister Tayyiba Kaukab, and actually this message is actually from her children, I'm assuming, who are saying that they love watching the vlogs. The names are Zishan, Tahir and Numan. Of course, we have seen the fact that you've been watching the vlogs, so Jazakallah, of course, and make sure that you do continue to watch MTA content. We've got a very beautiful message here from Sister Amna Khan, who is saying that she's watching the vlogs alongside her son, and they're watching the vlogs. I've got a message for your son. MashaAllah, it's a good time. It's a good thing that you're spending time with your parents. Continue to do that, and don't forget, the prayer for your parents, as always, is Rabbi irhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. We've also got another request from Sister Sabah, who's asking for Urdu vlogs. So if you guys want to see Urdu vlogs, comment down below, and if we see a number of people who want to see that, then inshallah, hum ye jo Urdu vlogs hain, inko bhi inshallah nashr karenge. We've got a message here from Brother Ali, who's asking what kind of vest that is that we use during the workouts. Let me quickly show you what it is, how you can quickly get that as well. Okay, so this is the vest that we typically use. This one's probably got sand inside it, I assume. It's about 12 kg. You can get different styles, different sizes. All they do, you got to put it on and you just clip it on like so. And it's really as easy as that. You can put them on. You can get these online all over the place, very cheap, as I said, and they can be at your home in a very few days. We've got a few messages from Brother Tawheed Ahmed, who's saying that he's enjoying the Team Mr. and Team Mrs. challenges. Inshallah, we're going to bring you more of those, and I definitely need to come back. So that was the comments. Now we're actually going to look at some photos and videos that everybody at home has been sending and showing what they've been doing during the coronavirus period. Let's quickly take a look at those. So here we have a picture from Azan Basharat, who's 9 years old from the United Kingdom. He's actually doing some art in the garden, and unfortunately I don't have a garden, otherwise I would have tried this as well. But this is something everybody can have a go at, and of course it's just chalk, so when you're done with the fun, you can all wipe it away. Next we have Munfarid Ahmed and Sufishan Saeed, who have actually made some very beautiful caterpillars, much better than what we made at home. And of course these were as part of a competition to see who can get the caterpillar from one end to the other very quickly. Mashallah, that is a very good effort there. And finally, we have this very interesting workout from a khadim who's actually trying to use just a few household items in his garden to try and exercise his arms and his chest. Alright guys, so we're now here for the fitness segment, and we're going to be over the next 3 days looking at the 3 core exercises that you can do at home, and we're going to split them up day by day and see how you can progress from easy to difficult as you get better at those exercises. Today, we're going to be looking at just one exercise, and that is the push-up. So you want to start off with a push-up which is on your knees. So this would be like this. It's basically a push-up which you can use until you progress to a full push-up. So you're just going to use your arms to come down and then push yourself back up. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can actually lean forward a bit and then come down. Once you've done that, you can of course then do the real one, which is of course straight legs. Make sure your back is straight, and then you come down all the way as low as possible, hold it for a second, and then come back all the way up. One mistake people normally make is when they do push-ups, they'll go down really fast and then come up slowly. You want to actually go down slowly as well to make sure that you're exercising the correct form. So once you've got the hang of that, you can actually try different variations of push-ups on the floor. So you can actually try to do triangle push-ups, which are a lot more beneficial for your arms. So you can come down, you're basically going to create a triangle with your hands and do these tricep push-ups, which are very good, like I said, for your arms. You can even do a clap push-up or a jump push-up. We don't need to clap, it's not necessary. We can actually just jump up and come down. Okay, so the next 2 are incline push-ups, and they're mostly focusing on your shoulders as opposed to your chest. Of course, all you have to do is find a higher position. You're going to get down like so and exercise the same way. Keep your arms chest width apart all the way down, hold it, and then come back up again. Once you think this is getting easy, or you want to just isolate your shoulders in general, and all you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing, but come up higher so that your head is almost pointing to the ground, and then you're going to come down like so. and this will focus on just your shoulders. Alright guys, so we've explained the push-ups and how they can benefit you in different ways, from easy to difficult, and I'm going to set you guys with a challenge before we end the fitness segment, and that is the one-hand push-up. It looks very difficult, but you can actually practice yourself and learn how to do it. Remember, when you're doing a one-hand push-up, make sure to extend your legs wide out so that you have better control over your body. Alright guys, today's recipe is something that I deeply love on a personal level, something very tasty. All you need is a few ingredients from home, and actually it's very easy to make. And of course, this is what we call magic sweet corn or chili sweet corn, but it's up to you really how you want to make this. Let's quickly show you how it's made. Alright guys, alhamdulillah, the food is ready, and I always love this because you get the sweetness and the juiciness of the sweet corn, but you get the spices as well at the same time with a nice creamy touch to it. So alhamdulillah, this is a very nutritious treat as well, and we're now going to try it. Remember, of course, you should all know by now, the prayer before eating food is Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Alright guys, I didn't realize this is actually really hot right now. So remember, always wait before your food cools down. And don't blow on your food actually. It's not the sunnah or the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to blow on his food. And rather we should wait for it to cool down and then we should have the food. Alhamdulillah, great as always. This is what I absolutely love in this. Like I said, the spices and the juiciness together. Of course, once you're done eating, there's also a prayer for after having your food. And that is Alhamdulillah alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana min al-muslimin. Alright guys, that is the end of the vlog today, and of course if you want to see your photos, your videos and your comments on the vlog, then remember the number is below and you can of course comment down below in the comment section as well. And of course I hope you guys are doing well, stay safe and stay home, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and peace be upon you all.